Well, we're moving along slowly. Here's my rendition of what it will look like when it's completed. I'll go into more detail on our floor plan and our color choices.
What are you doing now, Karen?
I am attempting to make my own rustic shiplap. We're Dave and Karen from Watts on Wheels, and we sold our sticks and bricks to RV full-time now that we are retired. We travel with our heavy-duty truck Leroy, our two K&M motorcycles, our DRV Dixie, and our smart car Zippy. Don't forget to subscribe and click on that bell to be notified when we post a new video. We're going to start a remodeling process. Plans are knocking out that wall right there and that wall right there. And there's a room right there. Get rid of it. Dave can't wait to get at it. He hasn't remodeled anything in a couple of years now.
I'm itching.
Okay, so here comes the first valance and lights coming down. Getting them down already. It's demo day!
Yeah.
I found a quarter!
It's mine. You got George Washington on it?
No.
Oh.
Well, that was a killer.
Yeah.
Gonna need a couple beers after that. Why don't you put some shoes on?
I'm going to.
Ruh-roh.
Oh!
Hope you're not kneeling on any glass.
I hope so too.
I hope I got it all up.
I hope so too. Jeez Louise.
Aww. Look. Caution area patrolled by Portuguese water dogs.
It's water dogs.
I miss my boys.
Yes, you do.
See that sign I found?
Where?
Right out here.
Oh my God. Look at that.
That was the sign from
When we
bought this back in 2007.
7, yeah.
14 years ago.
Do we hang on to everything or what?
I had that at the bottom of the closet where the mop and stuff went.
Oh, to keep the carpet.
Yeah.
Oh.
It worked.
Yeah.
Wow.
Maybe we should just hang it out there now.
Yeah, no kidding.
I'm thinking.
Boy, is this looking trash.
Scary.
Can you say hillbillies? Look at this. We're going to live in this squalor. Holy moly.
Yeah, squalor.
Okay, we're going to have to clean this up pretty soon so we can live in here tonight. Should I put HGTV on to inspire you?
Give me some inspiration. Ah.
Wow.
Yeah. They went crazy with the staples.
Now we got to take the leftovers and cut it up so we can get rid of it. And there Dave goes on his 1,000,000th trip down the dock with all the stuff. And he's got to go up a hill too. Are all those staples going to have to be pulled?
Uh-huh.
Oh, good grief.
Good God Almighty. I'm going to need more money.
You work hard for the money.
That's the truth.
Yeah. I do recall asking you, do you regret starting this? And you said no. So.
Ask me right now. Oh, yes.
Oh. Yeah. I'm a brute. What is that? That mouse poop?
That mouse poop.
I'm hoping you're an engineer, should have been.
Stop your whining.
You got the bronze, I got the brains. Let's make lots of money.
We're spending lots of money. Alright, now you gotta hang on to it. Just till I get the wheels on the dock. There we go.
Wow.
Oh,
Oh.
you had a plan. Walk down the middle of those two.
Uh-huh. It did work. Just bring back memories.
Oh yeah. Memories.
you.
I know. Get a monkey in a box of bananas. All the staples.
Oh my god. There's gotta be like
It's gotta be 70.
one every inch.
Or you just want to remove the bar and call it macaroni, you know? A lot of extra room here. What?
What, you giving up?
Yeah.
Here comes the staples. All 4 million of them. I don't think they had enough staples in here.
It's called piecework.
Good grief.
What you doing now, Karen?
Oh, trying to get these staples out. First I gotta get them started.
What are you using to get them started with?
A hammer and a screwdriver. And then I'm just coming back and trying to pull them out.
And that's it, huh?
Yep, 1 million times. I don't like doing this. This sucks. You're gonna have a lot of wires to move.
Hell yeah. I don't know what all this goes to.
Well, that's not good.
Well, I mean, I didn't expect that many wires in the walls. Money, money, money. Money. I made 26 cents.
Oh, I made a quarter.
Moving that chair. And a flare show.
Gotta stop swearing.
Dooby dooby doo. Dooby doo.
Now he's gotta sand all the pin nails down. We do have the kitchen floor up now in the hallway. Dave has marked off all the cabinets as to what size cabinet doors we're going to need to be replaced with the shaker doors. I've been working on my shiplap, and Dave's got the floor put in here temporarily. We're still waiting on the freshwater tanks, and until we get those we really can't build the wall and start structure here, because he's going to have to get underneath here down below to put the tanks in. We do have a new toilet that has arrived. We got to buy a few parts for that. He's got his window all blocked up here. Ceiling has been all torn out, staples removed, and we've been figuring where we're going to put our lights and such. This band of lights are all going away. We'll be putting puck lights in like we did in the RV, and then we're going to have an island here in the middle, and it'll have lights above it as well. Dave's going to have to do some work in the hall because he's going to have to put in water tanks, a couple of toilets, a hot water heater, and do some other work down there. So I'm going to show you what it looks like down in the hall.
Well, this is what the hull of the houseboat looks like. That thing over there is the HVAC, and just ductwork and all sorts of good stuff. Yeah, just crawl around down here. I have about, I'm going to say 40-45 more sheets that I have to paint, stain, and clear coat. And then once we get them done, I believe there will be 96 of these 2x4 panels. And then we will be ripping them into the shiplap, which will be hanging on all the walls. Of course, it'll be staggered. And I think we finally have chosen our colors. So this is going to be our flooring. It's a water-resistant laminate that's already got the foam on the back called Aged Hickory. And then the lower cabinets are going to be gray, upper cabinets white. Quartz countertops that have a little bit of the veining going through it. Here's going to be our backsplash, and we're going to put it in this angle up on the walls. first step is to pick all these edges where they cut them at the store. And if it has a sticker on it, that's the good side, then we gotta sand that off too. You gotta use acetone because it's gummy from the glue, right?
Yep. And the sander won't take the glue off. The sander just mushes it around.
Wipe off any loose particles. Well, first step is to put a nice thick coat of my primer on. Then I want brush strokes. So take this cheapy brush and just run through it. Try to make them as straight as I can. Set it aside to dry. And then on to the next one. This is my stain coat. And I put a real light covering of this gray stain. Classic gray. I'll do half a board at a time. And take the sponge, since it's water-based, and I just start wiping it off, trying to make straight lines. And you wipe off as much as you want, depending on how much streak you want. Some areas I'll wipe more off than others, and you can play with this for several minutes if you want to. You kind of blend it a little bit with the dry brush. It helps put a little bit of the brush look marks into it like it's wood. Quick, easy. Okay, step number 3, clear coat. Put it on heavy. And you want to keep your roll lines straight as you can. I'm using a satin, water-based clear coat. Set it aside to dry. So there's the helm. There's our control panel. This peninsula is going to be removed. A lot of the cabinetry we're going to be reusing the boxes, but we'll just be putting new doors on them. Here's my rendition. I just did this on Excel, so it's very one-dimensional. So over here we have the helm and the window by the helm. We are going to hang the TV from the ceiling. I've got the flooring in there, and I've got the shiplap on here. Got a picture over the control panel, and then the peninsula's gone here. We'll have some cabinets there, gray on the bottom, white on the top. It's a window. Everything else stays the same. And then the section where we removed that bedroom is going to have a spice cabinet on the end here. This will be a floor-to-ceiling pantry and a coffee area. There'll be a little sink in here and pile up our booze in the corner. We have a Miller Lite sign that we're going to hang here and a little upper cabinet for our cups and stuff. This is X'd out because this is going to be a corner cabinet where it has like an L-shaped door on it that folds, and when you open it up you have access to the entire corner. This wall here is the one that you turn it on 90 degrees and it'll be butted against this one. That will have some reused cabinets. We have the window. I'll hang a picture on the wall. And so that's what it's kind of going to look like.
Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up. We'd love to hear from you in the comments below, even if it's just to say hi. Don't forget to subscribe.